If you need to cancel a pending transfer on WhatsApp, follow these simple steps to ensure your transaction is halted before it completes. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account from which you initiated the transfer. Step 2. Go to Chats. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. Scroll through the chat to find the message that indicates the pending transfer. It typically shows a loading symbol or a message stating that the transfer is in progress. Step 4. Tap on the transfer. Once you locate the pending transfer message, tap on it. This action should bring up options related to the transfer, including the option to cancel. Step 5. Select Cancel Transfer. Choose the option to cancel the transfer. Confirm your decision if prompted, and the pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. Now you can rest assured that your pending transfer has been cancelled. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.